Making a pivot in your career never means starting from scratch. Uh-uh. You are starting from a position with knowledge and skills and experience that you are bringing from your current and past positions to the next one. So don't think if you are making a pivot in your career that you're starting out at an entry level, because that's not true. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to think about your job. And I want you to think about the things that you really excel at. And I mean the things that you're really good at, that you are the go-to expert for, the stuff that you do better than anybody else. And you are allowed and encouraged to brag right now. Okay? Stop making it seem like you're just doing your job. No, you're really good at certain things. Those are the things I want you to think about. I want you to think about what you're really good at that you also really enjoy doing. And I want you to use those terms in the job search engines and start looking for jobs that incorporate those skills, the hard skills and the soft skills. Okay. Because jobs have all kinds of unusual names and titles, people operations manager, and all kinds of weird things. So rather than searching up front from a job title that somebody said, oh, this is a good title for you, look at these skills. And then when you start to look at the jobs, take note of the job titles that you like, and then start searching out those job titles. Read the job postings and see what they're asking for. And you should be able to look at them and feel really confident about yourself and be like, hey, you know something? I do that. That's exactly what I do. Those are perfect jobs for you because all jobs, they require leading a team, or they require communication, or they require problem solving skills, or data analytics, or they require technology skills, right? There are certain skills that they're looking for in the jobs, and you probably do those things at the job that you're at right now. Right? Like I had a client that was working doing strategic operations for a mortgage company for a bank, and she went and pivoted to do the same thing for an airline. Yes. And when she went into those interviews, she didn't know anything about the airline industry, but what did she do? She researched, she prepared, but she had all the experience in strategic operations, in managing teams, in problem solving, and that's what they were looking for, right? I've had a gym teacher go directly from being gym teacher to being a director of partnerships with a nonprofit organization. All of her ability to negotiate contracts that she did with all the equipment for the sports teams, her ability to make connections, to work with people, that's what they were looking for. Right? I had a stay-at-home mom that went from 20 years of volunteer experience to be a coordinator at a nonprofit where she coordinates volunteers. Right? It's exactly what she does. So understand that you're never starting from scratch. And that's the scary part for job seekers. They feel that they're starting from scratch, but you are not starting from scratch. I want you to write down all your accomplishments, all the things that you've done, all the places that where you are now is better because of you. Please, please, please brag. It is okay to brag. As women, we tend to think we should keep our head down low and just do our job. I need you to toot your own horn. I need you to realize how awesome you are. And then those are the skills, the traits, the characteristics that you are going to bring to your next job. That's how you're going to make a pivot in your career. Okay. I hope you found this super helpful. My name is Cindy. I empower career changers, those returning to the workforce and transitioning teachers to find amazing jobs that match their current why. I'm going to put a playlist right here for you all about how to make a career change. And if you'd like some more help with that, let's do it together. Let's schedule a free 45-minute discovery call to talk about how I can help you to be successful in your job search. I hope you have a super productive week. Always remember you're a warrior. I'll catch you next week. Have a good one. Bye bye.